Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive and trendy ideas of highlights in short hair. With beautiful haircut. Very stylish hairstyling. And many much more different and latest ideas of highlights in short hair for girls and women you've seen this video, so I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about highlights. Different ideas of highlights and different type of highlights you see in this video. Some ideas, cap highlights, the name of cap highlights, sticks, and very attractive ideas of sticks you see in this video. And some ideas of highlights, full hair highlights, foil highlights, and some ideas only flick highlights, and some collection front ear to ear highlights, and mostly ideas in today's my collection highlights in blonde color, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, with dark base color 4 and 5 point dark color, and some ideas dark brown color, and some collection of highlights in funky colors with light base color, and so attractive ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and different ideas, trendy latest ideas of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, and some collection with flick, nose length flick, and chin length, and very beautiful ideas of hairstyling, fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, and spiky hairstyle, messy hairstyle, and many much more beautiful and latest ideas of highlights in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice and you look very sweet, very cute. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video. Take care yourself. Take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. So friend, thank you so much. See you in next video. Take care and bye bye.